Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Not Necessary. In this video, I am going to explain data types or the built-in types in Python. Okay, so basically there are five built-in types or data types available in Python. So one is numeric, dictionary, boolean, set, and sequence type. So let me explain one by one. Okay, so coming to numeric. So basically in numeric we have available three types. Okay, one is integer. Okay, so yeah, so one is integer. So you guys all know that integer is nothing but it's a whole number which represents like 10, 20, 100. So these are like integers, right? Yeah, so I can write 10, 20 or 100. Anything like which without any decimals is known as an integer. Okay, and the second one is, let me show it, and the second one is float. Okay, so float is nothing but which represents the decimal points. Okay, like 10, 10.3, or we can say that minus 40.5. These are decimals, right? Yeah, so integer and decimal. And the third one is complex number. Okay, complex number. Basically what is this complex number is a number with real and imaginary values is known as complex number. Okay, so let me give an example so you guys can easily understand that. A plus, sorry, a plus b j is a complex number. Okay, I can give another example like 3 plus sorry 2 plus 3j is also a complex number. Okay, so these are the like data types available in numeric basically. Okay, in numeric we have three. One is integer, float, and complex number. Integer is nothing but the value which represents 10, 20, like integer values. Okay, and second one is float. Float represents like decimal values like 10.3 or minus sorry, yeah, minus 40.5. Okay, and the third one is complex number. So basically complex number is nothing but the number which is having real and imaginary values. Those are known as complex number. Okay, so coming to next one is dictionary. So basically dictionary is nothing but dictionaries are items. Okay, that are items are contains keys and values. So those are known as dictionary. Okay, so here let me give an example for that. Here let me take an example like name is equal to, sorry, name, forgot to mention, guys, do remember this. Yeah, let me give an god. Okay, comma age. I'll provide age. Oh, sorry, age, and age is around 21. Okay, yeah, so these are like numeric basic, sorry, dictionary. Okay, these are dictionary, for example of dictionary. Okay, here for this we'll be calling as keys, and for this we'll be calling as values. Okay, and do remember guys, key should be unique all the times. The keys should be unique, but values can be repeated. Those are values can be repeated, but key should be very unique. It should not be repeated. Okay, this is about dictionary. Yeah, so next one is boolean. So boolean is nothing but boolean represents true or false values. Okay, like basically it will be represent as true and false values. Okay, these are like booleans. Like this will be used while creating any conditions and comparing two things at that particular time, like what should be the result at that particular time, like we'll be using this boolean. So basically this represents true and false. Okay, yeah, so coming to next one is set. Basically set is nothing but it's a unordered collection of unique elements, or else we can call it as an objects. Okay, those are known as set. Let me give an example for this set. Okay, so let me take up floor brackets. So 10, 20, 30. So these are like example of basic set, like I will be writing a set values. Okay, and one more thing what you guys have to remember in the set is it's a duplicate element will be removed here. So once we write the values, for example, let me give an example, like let me take uh, a. So a is equal to, I have given one set for this. If I write 10 here, like if I repeat the values 10, okay, and if I execute this, I'll be getting that the duplicate values will be removed. If I print this, if I print, you guys can see I wrote 10 for 2 times, but in the output I got only 110. Here what is showing is the duplicate values will be removed. Okay, so there are like many things are available in set. I will be explaining in the next coming videos. Okay, these are just overview of the things. Okay, overview of this set. Okay, I will be explaining more about in the next video. Okay, yeah. So coming to next is sequence type. In sequence type we have three things. Okay, one one is list. Okay, first one is list. Yeah, so basically this list is nothing but it's an order sequence of element. Okay, let me give that, it's an order sequence of element. List is nothing but it's an order sequence of element. Okay, I just like I can give an example for this. For this I need to write square brackets. Okay, in the square brackets I can mention the values. Okay, these are order sequence, these are like sequence of orders. Okay, like order sequence of elements or objects we can say. So this is basically a set. And do remember guys, basically this set is mutable, it's not immutable, this is mutable. Okay, yeah. So coming to the second one, second one is tuple. Okay, so tuple, basically this list and tuple are like both the same, but for tuple we'll be writing circle or like sorry circle brackets. Okay, so for this I will be giving an example 10, 20 and 30. So this also same as that. So this is an order like sequence of object, but for tuple it is immutable. Tuple is immutable, but list is mutable. Okay, so do remember these two, like this is a main point, like you guys have to remember list is mutable and tuple is immutable. Okay, there is a major difference in list and tuple, and there are many things to like recall in these two, like list and tuple. In the next videos I will be explaining these things. Okay, yeah. So now the next one is string. Okay, so string is nothing but it's an order sequence of characters. Like here, like we'll be writing a characters. Okay, for example, let me take an example like Python. Okay, or else like we can say that God Krishna. Okay, these are like characters, right? So this is nothing but an order sequence of characters, or else like we can say a group of characters. Okay, that is nothing but a string. So these are like three types like available in sequence type. One is list, tuple and string. And one more thing we have to remember in string is also a immutable. Okay, it is also a immutable. Okay, yeah. So like these are like 5 data types which are available in Python. Okay, yeah. So hope you guys have understood this. If you have any questions, do comment down. I'll be answering all your questions. Okay, yeah. Thank you.